Hello, my name is Anggita Yuna Pramesti. NIM 2021111057. Class 2B Management. The introduction. Instead of common feeding across many global regions is that the informal economy is extensive and even growing. The result has been questioning of the view that the informal economy is a leftover from some previous model of production, which is vanishing as formal market economies become ever more hegemonic. Instead, new theoretical perspectives have emerged to explain the persistence and growth of informal work in contemporary economy. The aim of the paper is to evaluate critical this theorization of the informal economy. Instead, the finding is that the reparation of the informal economy as either a byproduct of contemporary capital, which informal workers enter out of economy necessity for a form of work that is voluntary, entered as an alternative to the formal economy, are each valid but in relation to different types of informal work and varying population. The paper thus closed by playing for a more nuanced explanation of the informal economy and for further evolution to be founded in other contexts. At the outset, it is important to define what is meant by the informal economy. Until now, the wider literature on what has been done as black market, underground, cash in hand, hidden shadow, informal economy sector, employment work. Has commonly defined informal work in with reference to work that is absent from or lacking in some way to the formal regulation system. What is absent from or lacking is that the economic activity is not declared for tax, social security, and labor law purpose. The product process is legitimate as well as the good the service product. In recent years, the has is the characteristic of the work rather than the enterprise. Should us whether they have an development contract, benefit, should and sick pay and pension entitlement. If you relate to the literature, combating theorization of the informal economy, ever sign the compact of the informal economy and the red discourse on development scholars have sought to explain this phenomenon. The growth of the informal economy is consequently perceived to be part of the New York organization under post-Fordism in which formal employers begin to reduce costs, subcontracts take off production to other employers who employ case-in-hand worker under degrading, low-pay and exploitative sweatshop-like conditions. Informal work are threefold, unwilling and unfortunate win. In an exploitative global economic system, informal work is consequently represented as a survival practice conducted of necessity in the absence of formal work and direct byproduct of a deregulated open world economy. Another perspective again argues the informal work are voluntarily participating in of informal economy but positive different reason why they do so to the neoliberalists. Methodology within each of these 5 communities and specialist strategies sampling technical was then able to select 16 households in each community to survey, meaning that's a total of 80 households very surveyed within the town to select response for interview in household. A convenient sample was imported based on their willing to participate in the study. According to William Purvis study in advanced contourists usually use an index of multiple deprivation product by the national government to select areas which rank local areas according to a complex list of indicators of multiple deprivation, dividing areas into affluent and deprived. Multiple deprivation for comfortable or for that matter Ghana. In order to choose localities, the above characters were used to select in the structured manner affluent, semi, semi-affluent, and deprived location. Response for the study were the hand of household who respond to the question as an individual but not on behalf of the member of his or her household. The first part of the questionnaire collect information on the social demographic of the member of the household, followed by their employee status, include whether they engage in formal work and if so, what they in terms of their occupation and sector. Respond where they ask their opinion on the aspect of the informal economy and to estimate the share of household income, the formal, informal, and formal work. They were also asked what work practice they relate to the livelihood of the household by asking what was the primary work they relate on the secondary most important practice. Finding some 50 56% of participants in the informal sphere are women and just 43% are men. This distribution is consistent with much of literature regarding the gender of participants in the informal economy. This is not so become more women were interviewed, but it is simply that there are more women than men in the informal economy. In this are as is the case for the nation as whole. There are also clear differences in the participant rate in the informal economy by the age of the response. Analyzing the opinion of response about the informal economy. 61% say that the informal economy in this area has come to stay and it will continue to grow when bigger. This study found that about 60% of respondents were conducting informal work in cohort 2, which is consistent with previous study in Ghana. For example, the ILO found that some 65% of enterprises in Ghana were operating well in the informal economy. The ILO akin to the government of Ghana seldom disaggregate informal economy data into rural and urban. It is always combined as a single data set for the informal economy. Discussion, a meaning Victor that thought the informal economy was declining or not, explaining to the response to persistent view about the appearance of the informal economy. 61% say the informal economy is part and parcel of the overall economy and it is the norm on and not the exception in this area. Hence, the modernization thesis that the informal economy is a residue of leftover from a previous model of production that persists in just a few marginal interests and is disappearing from view is not the life practice in this urban area. Indeed, it was the informal economy that was seen as the marginal realm, existing in just a few enclaves of the economy landscape, such as the public sector and some rare enterprises concentrated in a small number of economy sectors. Even though times are not the same, comparatively, I am far better off in the informal economy than I was informal. Conclusion: the aim of this paper has been to evaluate critically valued an explanation for the informal economy in third world cities, economy in third world cities. Until now, the informal economy has been theorized either as a residue byproduct of contemporary capitalist and survival practice product out of economy necessity or an alternative to the formal economy voluntary use to the either and offer burdensome state of or for social. redistributive resistance of identity logis. In this paper, empirical definitions from a study of 80 households in Koforidua, the regional capital of the eastern region of Ghana, has been reported. This has revealed that the modernization that is not science informal work continues the mainstream economy in this urban area, while the formal economy is the minor sector confined to a few enclaves such as the public sector and a relatively some number of sectors of private enterprise. Indeed, some 60, 80, 95% of the surveyed population work in the informal economy in this urban area. Instead, the finding is that the structuralist perspective, which depicts informal work as a survival practice conduct of the economy necessity explain one-third of informal work. The neoliberal agency perspective a further one-third and the post-structuralist perspective on the final one-third of informal work. Furthermore, as of this reparation of the informal economy, more valid for some types on informal and some population than others. The structuralist perspective, the depict informal work as agent in lower paid work in subcontracting chain on of economy necessity and as a survival practice is more prevalent so far as work informal work in connect of for particular population group, such as women, migrants for the northern region working as they labored in the construction industry or farm. In efforts undertaking informal agriculture work, an educated perspective that the big informal work are doing some more as a voluntary choice for relation exhausted with a burdensome state. Meanwhile, was more revealed to the informal self-employed and chauffeur and population group were contract for mean and akas agent in petty street getting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.